All right, folks, digestive time. So we got our pig here. This is Wilbur Bacon Jr. So if I can get this loaded up there. Courtesy of those folks. Appreciate your work. And so this is the pig. And so we're going to look at the digestive system. So we're going to look for a few structures. The first one, I have a label for it, but it's hard to see right now. I'll post a picture of it later. But it's the esophagus. And so it's right underneath the trachea, right there. You see a tube on the bottom of that. That is what, let me see if I can pin it. Hold on. See how lucky we are here. So that's it. So it's a long tube that goes underneath the trachea. That's the esophagus. That empties into the stomach, right? So the GI tract, it goes mouth, esophagus, stomach, down here. Then it goes small intestines, large intestines, and then poof, at the bottom. That's the exact noise it makes. Poof. And vanishes into thin air. Ironically enough, there was a movie I saw once starring Jack Black and Ben Stiller where the main premise was they invented a product that you sprayed it and then poop disappeared. Not quite how it works in real life. Man, wouldn't that be nice? But yeah, so the esophagus, it's got a long way to go down, and then we go down to the stomach. Note, this is the liver, not the stomach. It's an accessory organ of the digestive system. I'm not part of the GI tract, but this is in fact the stomach, this sac here. Try careful not to puncture that, but that's the stomach. From the stomach, it joins up with the small intestines. And so if we're looking around, there's your small intestines right there. There's the whole thing. So the small intestines is quite lengthy. I don't have that expanded out. I guess I could have. My apologies. Sorry all around. But yeah, that's your small intestine. So if you look, you can see where it comes off of the stomach over here with my thumb. And it comes all the way off. And then you can see the colon form there. So that's where the large intestines. It's made of 3 different sections. And that's our large intestines there. And that will eventually go around and form part of the cecum, leading on out the body, which is what that is. You don't know the cecum though. Okay, then we covered the stomach already, large intestines, small intestines. Okay, that's the main organs. And we have some accessory organs. We have the pancreas. Oh boy, this one's tough. So that pesky pancreas, that's what it's called on the streets. Like, oh, pesky pea. Coming at you. Alright, so we got that revealed. Pancreas right there. Try and get in zoomer. Got a weird looking texture to it. That's the pancreas all day. Very important in the digestive functions. The gallbladder. Now, the gallbladder likes to hang out with another organ, and that will be the liver. So we have to look at the liver, turn to the liver, and then see a little sac. Sometimes this is colored green, ours is not. But where I'm pointing to right there, that is the gallbladder. So right there at the tip of the little blade here. Pointer thing. It's your gallbladder. Can't be removed. My mom does not have one, neither does my grandfather. Am I next in line? Who knows? I hope not. I don't want to undergo major surgery. My liver will be here. Liver. So liver is quite extensive. It's a big old liver. I caught open a shark yesterday because that's my life. And in that, man, that thing, a shark has a massive liver. Like, oh man, just big globs of liver everywhere. Makes our liver look pitiful in comparison. But we don't need to make oils to stay afloat in water because we live on land. But yeah, that's the digestive organs of the pig. So thank you to Wilbur. Thanks, Wilbur. Good job, buddy. We're going to see you again for the male reproductive section on the next video to be filmed soon. But peace out, enjoy.